Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Instagram, Facebook, Insta OPI app on your platform. This is a great way to boost your online presence and connect with a larger audience through Instagram. Integrating Instagram is especially powerful for businesses that rely on visuals, like fashion, beauty, home decor, or handmade products, because it allows your content to reach people where they're already browsing and shopping. Let's get started. First, head over to your platform's homepage and navigate to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Instagram. This will bring up a list of apps that integrate with Instagram. You'll usually find several tools here, but choosing the right one helps ensure smoother syncing and better performance. From the results, look for the one called Instagram, Facebook, Insta OP. This app works as a bridge between your business and Instagram users, allowing you to showcase your products in a visually engaging way. Click on the app and then select Install. Many store owners use this type of integration to automatically pull their Instagram posts, display shoppable feeds, or highlight user-generated content. The platform will now ask for confirmation. You'll see a secondary prompt. Just click Install again to continue. This simply verifies that you want to allow the app to update your store. Once installed, you'll be asked to choose a plan. If this is your first time, I recommend starting with the free trial so you can explore all the features before committing. Of course, if you already know which plan fits your business strategy, you can select that instead. Paid plans often include extra tools like analytics, automatic syncing, or advanced display layouts. Next, it's time to connect your Instagram account. The app will prompt you for permissions, like accessing your media or posting on your behalf. These are required for full integration, so make sure to grant them. Without these permissions, the app won't be able to pull your photos, videos, or reels to display on your store. And that's it. You've now successfully set up the Instagram, Facebook, Insta OP app and linked it to your account. With this integration, you'll be able to enhance your marketing efforts, increase your store's visibility, and drive more traffic and potential sales. Instagram-powered storefronts often see higher engagement because customers love seeing real-life visuals and lifestyle content that showcases the brand. Keep experimenting with the features, stay creative with your product showcases, and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.